Well, everybody.
Wait, everybody.
It is December 2nd. Yeah, let's
It's Friday, yeah. It's Saturday, Sunday. It's Friday, yeah. It's Saturday, Sunday. Fucking ride weekend. We're on vacation, guys.
That's right.
Me and Billy are off for the weekend later.
Yeah, it's nice and early.
Yeah, man, Billy was at my house at 7 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, you're the one who usually sleeps in, calls me and texts me at 5. He's like, "You up?" I'm like, "Yep, already out of the shower."
I woke up excited this morning. Today's our Minden Christmas charity ride, dude.
Yeah.
Really, it's the whole weekend now.
Yeah.
Went from a one-day event to a whole weekend.
Usually happens.
Yeah.
Usually does.
It's gonna be a good time.
Yeah, we got the Res Mutts coming out.
Yeah.
They're bringing, I don't know, a couple truckloads, I think.
Yeah, I'm not sure how many are coming up from that group.
I think 5, as far as I know
at
of.
At least 5.
Yeah.
At least 5.
And we got a group of
yeah, we got
5 or so.
6 or so of us.
Mm-hmm.
And then whoever else decided to join us that we haven't met yet from YouTube and our Facebook page. I know a few of the guys said they would love to come up if they can. So yeah, we might meet some new friends today too.
Hopefully the rain. Calling for a little bit of rain tomorrow.
Yeah, they are.
But good thing we're up here early enough to send it today.
That's a fact. That is a fact.
Everybody swear they solid till you put that heat on nice. We was taught to shine, now we looking like the city lights. Heard that boy was switching up, tell him he gon' need advice. If you still around, you still by me, yeah, you did me right. And I told him that's a strong bet.
Good old kitty man.
Turn left.
This is where we saw the police officer, and Chris almost got probably a ticket.
You think, what did I do wrong that time? A lot of people said that. Home sweet home.
You made it. No surprise there. You had ways, Santa, and plenty of holiday cheer on your side.
We sure did, Santa. Thanks for getting us here.
What's up, guys? We made it to Ray's place. Well, it's not Ray's place anymore. It's Minden Off-Road Park.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm looking at you, looking at me.
You looking at me?
I'm looking at you.
I'm looking at you. What kind of clown you think I am?
Nice in here, eh?
It's awesome.
It's beautiful, man.
First people in.
Yeah, first people in.
Thanks to the boys here at Bay Marine.
Yeah.
They fucking saved me, everyone.
Yeah, they did. I don't think you can fucking do that.
Party in the summer?
No, man. I don't, honestly, dude.
Yo, right up on that 45, right there. Right there. You see it?
I don't see
Because even if I fall, I'll fall into that big rock.
I don't think I would try that.
Whee! Yippee! Chris, turn on your, oh, you don't have a back camera. Never mind. I figure it goes around this way.
Yeah, I'm sure it goes around somewhere. The problem is if I get stuck, I'm kind of in a bad spot.
You'll be fine.
What up, son? My waiter's on, fellas. I was risking it for the biscuit. Yeah, Billy's all the way back there now. I didn't expect that to be so deep. We left the waders at the compound there. Got winter boots on. Tell you what though, we're overdressed. Sweating, guys. I'm sweating. Whew. For you. Yeah, just throwing it at the camera a bit, you know? Such a beautiful day out here. So for all you guys that can't make it, like Ryan, he's sick. Hope you're feeling better, but man, you're missing out. Brian, you're missing out too. Danny boy! Get your ass out here, bro. Yeah, dude, you're missing out. He's cutting down a Christmas tree, I think, today.
Oh, yeah.
I think that's what he's doing.
Family commitments first.
Yeah, family first. But who's your real family?